Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LETIME. Today, I want to demonstrate you our new product. It's ADI. It is automatic full spectrum herb extractor. It has dual functions. The first one is infusion. It can help you to make infused oil, tincture, vinegar, syrup. And second is help you to make hydrosol and even essential oil. The major benefits is first, it's full automatic. All you need to do is just touch the screen and let it do the work. So when it finishes the work, you can come back and collect the products. The second one, it's high efficient. It's about 780 watt, but it gives you a big yield. With the hydrosol, you can make around 1 liter per hour. The third one, it has a large container up to 4 liters or around 1 gallon. It's work perfect for most of the families, the workshop, a small business, herbalist, and aromatherapist to make your customized products. The fourth one, it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can focus on making your own recipe and just let the machine to make you the high quality products. So in this video, I will give you a demonstration about how it works and what components within the ADI. The ADI has its main part. It has two sections. One is the heating part and the cooling part. So when you are doing the infusion, only use this part. And then when you do the distillation to make the hydrosol, then the air cooling will be on. And if you look at this is a removable, the container. It has a 4 liter, the max volume. You cannot go more than 4 liter, but you can go less. If you want to just make a small batch, you can start with 1 liter to 2 liter, 3 liter, all the way to 4 liter. You also have a few the parts come with it. One is a herb container. So this is a liter size. It will sit on top of the container. So the herb will go in here. Later on, I will show you using the lavender buds. So doing the steam distillation to make a hydrosol and oil. And also has a cover for the herb. So this can help protect the herb during the distillation. And also it comes with a very convenient, this is a 1 liter size little cup. So when you are doing the cleaning procedure, this is very convenient to help you to make the white vinegar for your cleaning. And also it has this the hydrosol container. It's a clear, used with food grade the plastic. And that's all the parts. And what I want to highlight is because this thing is removable. No matter you are making hydrosol, you are making distilled water, you are making infusion. Think about it, it's so easy for you to take the material out or refill it before or after your work. It's way better, than the competitors' products. It's on the market, so you gotta hold the whole machine. But this one, very easy and very easy to clean. And it's a stainless steel. You can even put in the dishwasher. So in this video, I'm gonna show you to make an infused oil. So this one is made with rosemary and olive oil. And also made a hydrosol. I actually made 2 different hydrosol. One is the rose water, and the other, by doing the hydro distillation, while making the rose water. And this is the lavender hydrosol made by steam distillation. And also, I got a bit of the lavender essential oil. I gotta demonstrate you how to hook with oil hydrosol separator during the experiments. So there will be 3 sessions. The first one is making the infused oil. Second one, do the hydro distillation, make a rose water from fresh picked rose. And the third one is making the lavender hydrosol and oil from a dry lavender buds. So you can use either fresh or dry herbs with ADI. When we make an infused oil, the first you can drop the herb into the container. And this one I'm using the rosemary, and I use olive oil. And it's very simple, just turn on and go to the infuse function and set up the time. Normally 3 hours is a good starting point. If you want to make more potent, you can do a longer time, but 3 hours is pretty good. And during the process, you can also just go check the status and see if everything goes well. Finally, you can drain it. I'm using the LETIME, the press. It's a very convenient tool to separate the herb from the oil. And then you can see a beautiful oil with a very good, very strong rosemary flavor. And I'm using this oil for cooking, for salad dressing, or some like just add flavor. Now I'm showing you how to make a rose water. I collect the fresh rose and just add into the bowl directly. And I'm using the hydro distillation for the rose water making. Hydro distillation is mixing the water with herb together and then do the distillation. And when you're doing the hydro distillation, you want to have a good ratio between the herb and the water. And now just turn on, again, choose the distill and set the time. For this one, the time will decide how much hydrosol we will collect. Because the rose has a very, very low oil content. From 1,000 petal, you can get 1 drop. So we don't expect to get a rose oil. So that's why I just use this container to collect all the rose hydrosol. By the way, this hydrosol is very fragrant. I love it very much. So if you have a different rose, you can make different quality of rose water. And you can see what the rose petal look like. Added 2.5 liters of water. The whole pot can hold up to 4 liters because I'm gonna do the steam distillation, so the water gotta be less and the full the container, and because I gotta put the dry lavender buds in this herb seed plate. And one time, this is about a liter, and for lavender, the dry lavender buds, you use around 130 grams, almost like a half a full bloom lavender plants. And that's how much of the lavender you can use. But again, because I'm using the dry lavender buds, so you basically using more flower than if you use a fresh. And after that, just put the cover on. Pretty simple. So now it's ready. The water is under the lavender, and then close the lid. Because I'm doing the distillation with the lavender, I expect to receive essential oil. So this time I gotta use a tubing to lead the distillate from here into a separator. So here I put a oil hydrosol separator, and the tubing just gotta lead the distillate from the condenser into the separator, and I put a cup to collecting the hydrosol. So the oil and the hydrosol will separate here. Now the whole thing is ready. So this time I'm gonna do the distillation. So I choose the distillation. For this one, I wanna get around almost 2 liter. It's about 1.8 liter. So I do 2 hours 15 minutes and start it. So this device, you don't need a water cool, you don't need ice cubes. The air will be efficient to cool down in most environment, and it's pretty efficient and easy to use. So now you can see the oil start collecting on top of the hydrosol. And so with time, the oil will become more and more until, the most of the oil already come out. And the oil will stay there, but the hydrosol still coming because there is a more like the phytochemicals, those can still dissolve in the water. So that's why we always make more hydrosol, way more hydrosol than the oil. So the benefit of having a full automatic device is free the labor work. So after you turn on, you just you can do your own work without worrying about this. So it will handle all of the hard work by itself. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the ADI, and we have a ADI pre-sale website, and you can just go there to see the details and sign up the shortlist. Shortlist has a huge discount. Then it's a retail price, and you will get a benefits, be the first group to use the ADI. Okay, so please let me know if you have questions and comments. Again, thank you for watching. This is Dr. Liu. See you next time.